In a land where the sun kissed the earth gently, a peculiar bird named Grebe emerged. Known for its graceful elegance, Grebe was a sight to behold, a spectacle that left all the other birds in awe. However, Grebe's tranquil life was disrupted when a malicious crow, Churl, arrived. Churl, with his cunning and cruelty, sought to usurp Grebe's position as the most admired bird in the land. Churl's malicious plans were a constant thorn in Grebe's side. He would mock Grebe's gentle nature and spread lies about his supposed cowardice. The other birds, swayed by Churl's deceit, began to turn against Grebe. One day, Churl challenged Grebe to a contest. He proposed a race, promising that the winner would be the undisputed leader of the flock. Grebe, knowing that Churl's cunning could not be matched in a physical contest, agreed. The day of the race arrived. Churl, with his rapid strides, took an early lead. But Grebe, instead of racing, began to sing. His song, a symphony of melodies, echoed through the land, touching the hearts of every bird. Churl, in his arrogance, did not understand. He continued to race, oblivious to the enchantment Grebe's song had cast. As Grebe's song reached its crescendo, Churl stumbled, his pride and arrogance leading to his downfall. Grebe, having won the race not through speed but through the power of his song, was hailed as the true leader. The other birds, their hearts touched by Grebe's song, welcomed him as their leader with open wings. In the end, Grebe taught the other birds a valuable lesson. That true leadership is not about power or speed, but about touching the hearts of others with kindness, grace, and the power of music. And so, Grebe, the gracious Grebe, continued to rule the skies, a symbol of leadership, grace, and the power of music.